Alright, radio's on, car's in drive. Put the parking brake on, take my foot off the brake. Car start stop button is pressed. Goes into park. Engine turns off, radio turns off. Okay. Car's in drive, radio is on, engine is on. I put the parking brake on, put it in neutral. Take my foot off the brake. Start stop button. Engine turns off. Car goes into park. Radio is off. This is the only way to get it to work. Cars on, radios on, cars in drive. Put parking brake on. Shift to neutral. And hold neutral for 2 seconds. Neutral hold mode is on. As you can see, it's in neutral. Radio is on. Take my foot off the brake. Hit start stop button. Neutral hold mode. It says shift to park. We're neutral. Radio is still on.